there is so much pressure right now to use those new AI tools to just produce, to make more and faster. But I've been working with a question that might be more important. In 20 years, what will matter more? The art we made with AI or the person we become while making it? I think we are somehow misunderstanding this moment, because this isn't just a technological revolution. It's a profound invitation to asking ourselves and decide which part of humanity we want to deepen. The real work is not just done on the computer in front of the screen, but it's done inside us, within us. So I'm first of all, I want to say that if hopefully I'm not alone, even though it feels like, okay, to ask those questions. And if you've been asking yourself similar question, please subscribe and stay in touch. I really would like to build a community of like-minded people, of creatives like yourself, to work together, to discuss those things together, and grow as a community. It's challenging because this is such a small niche, okay, of those creative people that wants to use AI in a collaborative way, in a deeper way, and take advantage of this new technology, innovate with this new technology, but keep their identity, their persona. Okay, so please let me know what your thoughts, and if you have any question, comment below. What I would like to now to talk with you is about the idea of the artifact. Okay, by artifact I means that for us creatives, that we connect our value to what we produce. Can be music, a book, a photograph. Okay, for our value is connected to those things we create. Okay, to those shiny things that we can create. But now there is AI, and AI can create unlimited things, and it's getting better and better. Every week is doing something more they couldn't do before. So my thought is, if we connect our identity to the things we create, that we might have been building our house on shaky ground. I think we could do something different. Okay, we could look into the us becoming something. Okay, becoming. I want to share you my experience. Okay, so it's the moment that when I realized this. I was playing with AI, making some music with it. Okay, it just came out, and I was just exploring. I didn't have in mind to make anything serious, but I just wanted to try and test it. So my first feeling was, first of all, wow, this is amazing what they can do, and because I love technology, and I was like really fascinated. Okay, this is incredible. In the same time, it was hollow and generic. Okay, but I was also thinking, this is amazing. This is the worst that it ever can be. It can only get better. And then I thought about the artifacts. Okay, the things that I produced, and that thing was not me. Was completely generic. It didn't have my vision, so was completely useless. What it gave me was something that I couldn't use in any form or shape. Okay, so excitement on one side, but at the same time, this feeling of failure. I couldn't achieve what I wanted. I'm a prompt engineer as well, so I know how to use AI, but still, from the artistic point of view, I wasn't happy. Okay, I realized that okay, I can't use this thing. I can maybe take something out of it, collaborate in a way to get inspired, do something, but nothing serious, nothing that can represent me in any form. So, but then I was looking at this in the wrong way. I was looking at the output, at the shiny thing that was not shiny. Okay, and the artifact was not the point. The point is not what's the output we create, but is the person we become. Okay, is this unfolding of us? Okay, is us changing because we use AI? And I'm interested in this change. I'm interested in learning and exploring this aspect of me. And there is a sentence, a quote that I want to take from Cosmo Destiny Philosophy. I'm finished, I'm unfolding. So this is a moment to focus on our unfolding, not just the output. And I would like to invite you to this. So the idea is we don't need to rush and produce anything. We just need to unfold and learn with AI, test it, try, see what's happening, but without the need to rush into anything. Okay, it's like when you start playing an instrument or start doing a new form of art. Okay, it's the dexterity that you're learning, find out about your taste, discovering your identity through that tool. And that is enough. It's important. It would be the process to do right now. And then sometimes what the output can be more closer to us and sometimes less close to us. But nevertheless, it's my point is we don't need to rush it. Okay, and let me know what you think about this. So the next question would be, so what does it mean for our legacy? So if it's not our output, our art, our shiny thing that we create, what is our legacy? And when I ask myself this, I was thinking maybe it's the quality of our curiosity, is our taste, is the resilience we build in refusing basically to lose our identity, to get lost in the noise. Because like we were saying, this AI can create unlimited things, and we're going to be one of those things next to those unlimited other things. But I don't want to lose who I am. I don't want to lose my identity. I actually want to learn and change and improve. That is maybe that is the legacy that we leave. It's the human that we become, the human that is able to listen deeply, attune, co-create with any system, and probably that person will become timeless. That is probably the legacy that we will leave. So I just want to thank you for staying so long and be part of this. So let me know what legacy means for you in this new era, and like and subscribe and stay in touch. See you tomorrow. Ciao.